In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get SMS alert auction domains on GoDaddy. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you're logged in properly before you begin. This is important because the auction alert settings are only available once you're inside your account. If you're already signed in, you can go straight to the next step. Once you're inside the account, look at the top area of the page and click on Domains. This section is where GoDaddy groups together domain-related tools and options, so it's the right place to begin if you want to manage anything connected to domain auctions. After that, click on Auctions for Domains. This will take you into the auction section, where you can browse domain listings, track bidding activity, and adjust the way you receive updates. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a second and wait until the full auction dashboard appears. When you're in the auction area, find and click Settings. This is the section where GoDaddy lets you control your preferences, including how notifications are delivered. If you don't see it right away, take a careful look around the page header or menu area, since the layout can sometimes vary slightly depending on the version of the site you're seeing. From there, you'll see the option to enable alerts. Click Enable to turn the feature on. This is the step that activates SMS alerts for auction domains, allowing you to receive updates directly on your phone. These alerts can be helpful if you want to stay informed about domain activity without having to constantly check the website manually. After enabling it, it's a good idea to double-check that the setting has actually been saved. In some cases, platforms show a confirmation message or switch the option to an active state, so look for that visual confirmation before leaving the page. That way, you can be more confident that your alerts are now active and ready to work. And that's it. Once this is enabled, you should start receiving SMS notifications related to auction domains based on your GoDaddy settings. If you're using this feature to keep up with bidding opportunities, make sure your phone can receive text messages normally and that your account information is current inside the platform. That's how to get SMS alert auction domains on GoDaddy.